Hey, camera check. All good. Well, I can do this all day. Basically, all you have to do is you are supposed to blow. Not this blow, okay? Hey guys, Rick here. As you can see in this vlog's title, today I'm so pumped to finally unbox this awesome product from Prife International. I just knew about it last weekend when I attended this meeting in Kuala Lumpur. Like, they're telling me how amazing the product is, and I'm kinda impressed the way how they are super excited. Like, oh my god, this is a freaking device. It can cure cancer, it can treat body illness, body pain, turn your gray hairs to black, smoothing your skin, pretty much everything. And that's when I started to Google it. And I'm so shocked. And today, I'm so excited to share it with you. Let's go! So yeah, I got this package last Wednesday. Oops. Well, I can do this all day. Anyways, this is the iTeraCare Classic Hot Air Blower. And contrary to what you may think, this is not a usual blower. The device resonates a frequency of a normal human cells, generates millions of vibration per second. It has a combination of heat and light waves. Truth be told, this is a new concept of therapeutic device focusing on whole body therapy. Isn't it amazing? In short, this device does everything. Any kind of pain, inflammation, whatever bad conditions you have on your body. Well, part of my New Year resolution is to be more passionate with my skin and the rest of my body. Well, my health in general. So that's why I really want to test this and see how it works for my skin, for my joint pain, white hairs, my big tummy. I have some bug bites in my chest. I don't know what's freaking going on. So that's why I'm so excited to try this iTeraCare Classic Hot Air Blower. When I checked online, the price of this product is $380 US, which is about 20,000 in Philippine peso. And I realized when you purchase one here in Malaysia, it's much more cheaper, and I don't know the reason why. Now let's go on with the unboxing. Ta-da! Okay, first thing first, let's remove the bubble wrap outside of the box. Easy, and let's toss it for now. Now we have the actual box. Let's open this up, and this is kind of challenging. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know how to open this one. Should I do this? Should I push this? No, not working. But this is really cool. You can see there's a handle, so you can just bring it anytime you want if you're moving from one place to another place, or from one country to another country. And above that, I really don't know how to... This is... I don't want... Oh, this one. I don't want to break it. No. Finally, after a few minutes, the box is like how you open an attaché case. So it's just like this. All you have to do is to pull this one. And ta-da! The box is actually kind of cool. Nice one. And the first thing that we see is a piece of paper. I think this is the paperwork. Yeah, this is the manual. It's written in English. Yeah. And I'm not gonna read this. Who does? Nah, just kidding. But yeah, this gives us a lot of information, like the description of the hot air blower, the warranty description, some cautions, how to clean and how to maintain it, how to use it, some important safety instructions, yada yada yada. Well, please don't toss it out. Please keep it or you'll regret it. Oh wow, now we can finally see the actual device. Finally, we have the iTeraCare Classic Hot Air Blower. And for me, this is a precious baby. Imagine it's worth $380. Precious baby. Actually, there are two more iTeraCare devices. We'll talk more of that in my next video. There are two things here. The first one is attached to the power plug. This one, and here's another one. Ta-da! I think it's easy to install. All you have to do is to connect A and B. Let's see. I hope I'm doing it right. Well, let's see. Oh, there. I told you it's easy. And that's it. No brainer though. So it's kind of long. Oops. Okay. There's nothing more inside the box. But again, this is really a cool box. So now we're done with the unboxing. Let's get into the device. It's kind of just like holding a... Oh, no, not what you're thinking. So it's like holding a very expensive, slightly heavy blower. Well, for the internals, let's go ahead and check the manual. It has a 220 volts voltage, 50 hertz frequency, a power of 600 to 800 watts, and a sound of less than 65 decibel. Oh, sounds smart, huh? But yeah, it's all written here in the manual. So I told you, don't toss it out. As I mentioned earlier, there are other options of getting more like the premium and pro devices. But personally, I like this iTeraCare Classic as I'll be using it alone. But I think it's also good for a group of 4 or 5 in the family. So I bet this is a good option. Fret not, this is considered safe to use as a household electromagnetic device. No emission of any harmful radiation. Basically, all you have to do is you are supposed to blow. Not this blow, okay? It has few levels and there's a maximum of 3. So well, first plug the device and turn it on. There's no on button, but I think if you will toggle it to 1, yeah. So yeah, there's a kind of sound and it's kind of hot. You can actually change the level. Have 2. Oh, that's 3. 2. Okay. Okay. I'm shocked. Oh, that's it. In my next video, I will share to you some tips on how to use this iTeraCare Classic. I owe you one. I don't know if you can see it. For the past few days, I'm getting a lot of pimples in my forearm, specifically in my wrist area. And I really don't know what's going on. So this will be our target for today in using this iTeraCare device. Let's go. So again, all you have to do is just to turn on and then just direct it. I don't know if you can do this. And we will start slowly. I heard somewhere you have to do this for 5 to 15 minutes, like this. Well, if you're starting a new device, it is very important that you start little by little. So that's why today, let's do it for 1 minute. And I think I have enough time to increase it. And I think it applies to everything, like when you started going into a relationship, you start slowly. Dahan-dahan lang, dahan-dahan lang, dahan-dahan lang. Dahan-dahan lang, dahan-dahan, dahan-dahan lang. Yeah, you start slowly and not getting into married the next day. That's absurd, right? Just start slowly everything in your life wherever you get into your life. So that's it for unboxing my iTeraCare Classic Hot Air Blower. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and please comment down below. Please also visit my website at www.richardyongson.com, and see you guys. Till next time, ciao!